The Ottawa Real Estate Board is reporting a drop in year-over-year sales during the month of May. Hey, it's Curtis Sernoskie with Royal LePage Team Realty. Today we're going to discuss the latest market stats and sales numbers during the month of May in Ottawa. The month saw 1,545 sales, more than a 9% drop compared to last year during the same month. Historically speaking, sales were down 3.7% from the 5-year average and down 13% from the 10-year average. If you're wondering why this is, interest rates would be a good place to start. The 5% rate made home affordability out of reach for many. More on this a little later in the video. While sales were down, new listings during the month were up. Ottawa Real Estate Board President Curtis Fillier described the spring market in Ottawa as steady and said, quote, "The increase in new listings indicate that sellers are more confident that properties are moving as market activity picks up." New listings were actually up 26% compared to last year, with over 3,000 new properties added to the market. This was also up 23% for the 5-year average and 10% above the 10-year norm. The benchmark price for a home in Ottawa in May came in just above $651,000. Single-family homes benchmark pricing was $736,000, a 1% increase from last May, while row unit townhomes were $517,000 and condo apartments were $425,000. And both property classes are seeing about 2% gains. The average price across all property types in Ottawa was $690,000 in May, just below a 1% increase. This past week, the Bank of Canada also announced the first interest rate cut in nearly 4 years with a quarter-point reduction. This brought interest rates to 4.75. Although purchasing power has gone up for buyers, Ottawa Real Estate Board cautions that expectations should be managed. Rate drops can increase buyer demand and ultimately put upwards pressure on housing prices. There were 2.3 months of available inventory in May. This means that it would take 2.3 months to sell off all of the available inventory if no new properties were added to the market. This puts Ottawa firmly in a seller's market. If you have any questions about the housing market or considering making a move, let's connect to chat. Send me a message and let's create a plan to help you achieve your real estate goals.